Okay, I've completed the computer. I've also installed all the programs that he's going to need for his business. Microsoft Office 2013, several additional programs for security measures. Anyways, it's completely finished. I've even made a backup of it for him, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the power button and see how long it takes to do this time, okay? Because last time it took over 3 minutes. Ready? Here we go. And here we are, from power to desktop in 25 seconds, compared to over 3 minutes with the original hard drive in place and all of his other clutterware and bloatware on the computer. So, cool. I hope he likes it.